So Hamster Kombat CEO. So you have been tapping, like doing all this daily cyber, daily combo, mini game. You are playing different game. You are actually be anticipating that when are they going to actually release this particular airdrop, and when are we going to withdraw it? So I have a great news for you. So Hamster Kombat just released an update just now. So that is why I've actually come on board to record my screen. So if you are liking this video fast, ensure you subscribe so that whenever there's updates, I'm going to be the first one to show you over here. So when you click on this your airdrop session over here, you are going to see that we have 12 days to the listing of this Hamster Kombat. So Hamster Kombat is going to be listing on 26th of September 2024. And the update they just released right now is, if you actually see, they actually list some of the exchanges they're going to use to actually claim your airdrop. You are supposed to actually be careful to choose the right one. So I will actually recommend you choose the right one, because I don't know, maybe after you've choose any of this changer, you can be able to change it later. So as you can see, we have Binance, we have OKS, we have ByBit, we have FBI, and we have Telegram wallet. So if I want to advise personally, if you are from Nigeria, I will actually recommend you choose ByBit. Reason being that if you choose ByBit, you can actually do P2P here in Nigeria using ByBit and convert your token to Naira. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using ByBit to actually show you exactly how you can do it. So you are going to click on ByBit over here. Click on ByBit. As you can see, like this is ByBit, and you are going to choose either if you have already an existing account, you are going to choose yes, I have an account. So if you don't have an account, you are going to click on no, let me create one. So if you don't have ByBit account, I'm going to drop the link to actually create a free ByBit account, and make sure you actually do your KYC to make sure you verify your account. So as you can see, I'm going to click on yes, I have an account, because I already have an account. Click on it. As you can see, they said ByBit exchange unleashing the full potential of crypto Web3 within the next generation to support an opportunity. So if you don't have an account, you can actually click on register to register. So as you can see, September 13 on-chain deposit will start. So if you actually enter this particular your wallet, you are going to start receiving the deposit from 13 of September. So and on the 21 of September, the deposit will actually be received. So as you can see, 21 September off-chain deposit ends. So 24 September ByBit confirmation and deadline. So as you can see, I have to actually enter some of the information over here. So and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get your ByBit UID number, your Hamster Kombat address, and memo. So let's go over to our ByBit account to show you. It's very, very simple and very straightforward. So I'm going to go over to ByBit over here. So this is my ByBit account. Click on it to show you. It is very simple and very straightforward. So you can actually refresh your screen to show you what you are going to do right now. So the first thing you have to do right now is to click on your profile icon to get your UID wallet. Click on this profile icon. As you can see, main account, and I have UID number. Copy your UID number over here, then come over to the Hamster Kombat bot. Then you are going to paste your ID over here. So this is my ID. So the next thing you are supposed to do is to actually get your Hamster Kombat deposit address. So you are going to go over to ByBit again. So go over to ByBit, then I'm going back, then click on this asset option over here. Click on asset option, and it's very simple and very straightforward. So it's going to load up. So what you are going to do now is to actually click on this deposit option. Click on deposit option. You are going to click on deposit crypto. Click on deposit crypto. So as you can see, it has actually loaded up successfully. So the next thing you have to do is to actually search for Hamster Kombat from the option. So I'm going to search for it. So as you can see, we have Hamster Kombat over here. So the next thing you have to do is to click on it to actually get your deposit wallet address. So as you can see, choose a chain type. So we're actually using Hamster Ton because it's actually launching on Ton network. So they said, notice, to ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both the Hamster deposit wallet address and the Hamster memo or tag. Is very, very important. Please ensure you don't make any mistake in this process. Click on OK. As you can see, this is our Hamster Kombat deposit wallet address. So I'm going to copy it, then come over to the Telegram bot. So I'm going to actually paste my deposit wallet address over here. So the next one that is very, very important is the memo or tag. Failure to actually use memo or tag might actually result to you not getting your Hamster Kombat token. So let me go back. Then I'm actually going to copy my tag or memo, copy the tag, then come over to the bot over here, then actually paste the bot. As you can see, we have our ByBit UID number, we also have our deposit wallet address, and we also have our memo. So those three important things are very, very important for you to actually receive your airdrop to your ByBit account. I hope this video actually helping you. So next thing you are going to do is to actually click on save over here. As you can see, I'm going to actually click on save to be able to save my wallet and make sure that whenever they actually start like transferring the airdrop, I'm going to receive my airdrop inside my wallet. As you can see, success, we are all done. Success, we are all done. So as you can see, the next thing you are going to do is to actually be waiting for them to actually make sure they deposit this your token to your ByBit account. I hope this video actually help you out to actually navigate the way of you to actually add your wallet address to Hamster Kombat. If you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever there's any updates, you are going to be the first one to actually see most of the updates. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.